So this is to let you know that this path that you are taking in your awakening process is a path upon which most species walk. And this very, very, very special time right now might feel challenging, but it's also the breakthrough point. And today also, we want to show you how and why that is so. Now, we know maybe some of you who are nerds have watched perhaps some of the YouTube videos where we've been talking about something we call the quantum map. Now, if you don't know what we're talking about, no matter. We're going to explore this quantum map in a different way today, in a way that, let's say, is less cerebral, less mental, and more associated with experience, and how you experience this quantum map as you are walking on your path of awakening and opening to contact. So first of all then, what is a quantum map? What do we mean by that? What we are talking about is that in any civilization, whether we're talking about the collective level or whether we are talking about the individual level, the map is somewhat the same. And it has to do with how you, on all the different levels of your experience, from separation to full integration, how you experience the energy of the universe, how you experience and whether you distort your process of awakening, your experiences along that process. So that's what we're going to explore here, and hopefully for you, it will give you an insight into your own experiences in this life that maybe you've not been able to connect the dots about. Hopefully, we're going to help you connect those dots.